Hi everybody, we are going to learn to paint the elements of the waterfall painting. This is the first part. In the second part, we will make the complete painting. We start by taking the flat brush. We load it with burnt sienna, black and permanent green. Very little permanent green is used here. And we make a set of rocks on two sides. After making the rocks, we make a small patch of permanent green which shows the floor area. Then we take a fan brush and load it with permanent green or any other darkest green that you have. And as you can see, we use the fan brush vertically and move it in a crisscross fashion, starting from the edge of the fan brush to using the full blade, and we make a triangular shaped coniferous tree. Then we highlight this tree by mixing permanent green and a little bit of cadmium yellow. You can add a little bit of more cadmium yellow, make a brighter green and give fresh green trees as well. For practice, you can make as many trees as you want till you get the precision of the shape, the thickness of the bristles, and of course the length. Now you can see that we take a slightly darker shade than the rocks that we have made, and we demark the shapes of the rocks. Some are very big, some are flattish, and you can make them as per the way you like it. And we cover this entire rock area with proper shapes. After doing this, we take a lighter shade of the rock that you have already taken. We mix a little bit of white and highlight every rock so that the shapes of all the rocks are defined properly. After we are done with this, we take a hard flat brush, take permanent green and cadmium yellow medium, mix it to make a slightly fresher green, and add this green to the crevices of the rock, showing very soft grass. As you can see, we very slightly press the brush down, and if you press it too much, you will not get the texture of the grass. So take care how you use it. We can highlight the grass by adding more yellow or some more white to it. With the same hard flat brush, we make the shadows in the water, that is the green area that we have made, and we pull down the shades so that you can actually see a little bit of reflection. We also darken the edge of the rock. Moving on, we take the hard bristle fan brush and take a lighter shade of blue or a lighter shade of green and completely load the brush and drag it softly down to show the flow of the waterfall. You have to be very sure when you drag the brush down what shape of the waterfall do you want. Then we load the brush with white to highlight all the areas of the waterfall, and you can use very little of this. Make sure that you don't smudge the entire waterfall with too much color. Now for the last part, we create splashes of water in the base, and here also we use very little color, and with the little color we also show some reflection of water inside the green area that we have created. You can see the depth of the water and also a few splashes. So these are the elements that will help you make a wonderful painting in part 2. So don't forget to join us to make a lovely waterfall painting. Keep practicing these elements till then. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.